Zara was a little girl who loved gazing at the stars. Every night, she sat by her window, dreaming of flying through space. One evening, as she stared up, she noticed something strange. The brightest star in the sky was flickering. Suddenly, a soft hum filled the air. A tiny spaceship, no bigger than a toy, landed on her windowsill. The door opened, and out stepped a glowing, tiny alien named Luma. Zara, the starlight crystal is fading. If it goes out, the stars will lose their shine. Will you help me fix it? Lumo asked. Excited, Zara nodded and climbed into the spaceship. With a whoosh, they soared past the moon, zoomed past Mars, and dodged Saturn's rings. Finally, they reached the Star Palace, a glowing castle floating in space. Inside, the starlight crystal sat on a golden pedestal, but it was dim. The crystal needs energy from a shooting star, Lumo explained. Just then, Zara spotted a shooting star zooming by. Thinking fast, she grabbed a space net from the ship and stretched it out. With perfect timing, she caught the star's glowing dust and sprinkled it over the crystal. Whoosh, the crystal lit up, shining brighter than ever. The stars twinkled happily across the galaxy. You saved the stars, Zara, Lumo cheered. As a reward, Lumo gave her a tiny glowing star necklace. Whenever you wear this, remember, you are a guardian of the stars. The next morning, Zara woke up in her bed. Had it all been a dream? But then she saw the tiny glowing star necklace around her neck. She smiled. Some dreams are real after all.